Yeah, this video is a sponsored product review of this Topdon AB101 battery tester. This was sent to me to make this video with. It sells for $54.95 on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description to where you can buy it. Yeah, and here's what it looks like. And this is all the different tests it does. Yeah, you can stop the video and read those. Yeah, I'm going to hook this up to my 70 Chevelle since the battery, I think, is 8 or 9 years old. It would be a good one to test. Yeah, and inside between this cardboard it does have instructions on how to use this. It does some alternator tests and a few other tests too. Yeah, actually this battery is 9 years old. So the first thing we're going to do is hook this up. And this is one of the Optima batteries. I know it gives a test here for the gel batteries. Oh, and you can select the languages and everything on this. Yeah, this is a gel type battery. And it's 800 cold cranking amps. So you just put the information in here. Yeah, it's funny, it's still a good battery. I can't believe this battery's lasted that long. But I put the battery on a charger like once every 2 months because I hardly ever drive this car. And I'm going to take this tester outside and hook it up to a different car to do the alternator test and the other test, since it's real loud and I don't feel like starting it right now. And what the SOH means, I just looked in the owner's manual, that means the state of health of the battery, and it's at 65%, and state of charge is 98%, which is surprising because this battery is so old. Yeah, I figured I'd better check this other car too. This is a 2001 Mercedes SLK 320, and the battery's about 4.5 years old. Yeah, and it's at 92%. Yeah, and I hardly ever drive both of these cars. Yeah, and this is a 2001 Honda Prelude. Yeah, I ran the regular battery test first and it passes. So now let's do the charging test. And it passes that test. And it passes this test too for charging. Yeah, and I figured since I'm taking my truck to Southern California tomorrow, I'll test the battery in it too. Yeah, and this one passes too. It was a bit hard to see what the cranking amps were, but I was able to pull it up and look at it. Yeah, this is a good tool to have for the money. It doesn't print, but most people don't need to do that. And tomorrow I'll be out at the Barzy Summer Bash in Rancho Cucamonga. If any of you are out there, that's a YouTube thing for machinists.